Hey, welcome back to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today we're going to be looking at a 28mm stainless steel Rolex Datejust 28 with a white Roman dial, white gold fluted bezel, and an oyster bracelet. Model reference number for this watch is 279174, and the retail price as of 2022 is $7,800 US. I'll be going over all the aspects of this watch: the case, the bezel, dial, crown functions, as well as the movement and the bracelet, and I'll give you some of my thoughts on the watch throughout the review. Now, the Rolex Datejust 28 is Rolex's size small watch for the ladies lineup. It's larger than the outgoing model of 26mm, but it's still smaller than the next size up at 31mm case, which is considered their mid-size watch. Now, the case size at 28mm is from my thumb to my pointer finger here. The case is high polished to mirror finish on the sides of the case and also on the top of the lugs holding the bracelet. The case is rated to 100 meters or 330 feet of water resistance, so it's okay for you to go swimming with this watch on your wrist. It'll hold up just fine. Just turning the watch over, you see a screw down case back as well. That helps with the waterproofness. Now, the bezel on this watch is crafted in 18 karat white gold. Wraps up this dial nicely with a super crisp look. Gleams any which way you look at it. And going into the dial, we're looking at this beautiful white dial with white gold Roman hour markers. You have sword shape hour minute hands as well. Now, there's no luminescence on this dial, so you're not gonna have an easy time reading this dial in low light conditions. You can see the date here at the 3 o'clock position, right under the Cyclops magnification window. This window actually magnifies up to 2.5 times the original size for easy viewing. And the crown here at the 3 o'clock position can be worn in its first position once it's unscrewed from the case. "10 to 15 turns should do it." The second position now, it's going to be able to adjust the date. Let's pull this. Let's get the hand out of the way so you can actually see the date function. You can see at the 3 o'clock position, you can see me cycle through the date window there. Really easy. Now, third position out, it's going to be able to adjust the hour and minute hands, like so. Once you have your hands set, you can just pop down the crown, screw it down, and your watch is set. Now, the movement that runs this beautiful watch is a caliber 2236, has the hour, minute, date, and center second functions. The power reserve is about 55 hours, so you can set this watch down on a Friday night, pick it back up on a Monday morning, should still be keeping time. The movement of your wrist is actually going to be winding this watch, as it is a self-winding watch. Onto the bracelet that holds this watch, we're looking at a stainless steel oyster bracelet with a half polish. You can see it's a half polish actually means the inside links are high polished and the satin finish is on the outer links, so it makes for a nice contrast. There's a folding oyster crown clasp that opens up and closes the bracelet like so, single fold over. And underneath the oyster bracelet deployment, there's an easy link extension. I'll show you how that works. In its inner position, and also its outer position. This easy link feature actually opens up the bracelet about 5mm, allows your wrist to breathe a little bit easier when your wrist gets hot. You're not going to find that feature on a Jubilee bracelet, unfortunately. Now, as far as what I think about this watch, if you're in the market for a Rolex watch and you don't want something that's big and clunky to wear around, this watch might work for you. Ladies with a smaller frame, maybe 110 pounds and under, might consider getting this watch. It works well as an everyday wear watch due to its wearability, and it's easy to pair with clothes as a stainless steel watch. It's an automatic, it has a second hand, and a date. Those are all three things that I would find useful as an everyday wear watch. Now, if you want to know where to get this watch, we have it on our website at JazzTime.com. The model reference number again is 279174. This is the Rolex Datejust 28 White Roman on oyster bracelet. Again, we're an online store, so you can visit us in the comfort of your own home. Go to JazzTime.com, and thank you for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.